5 ways AI is crushing white-collar careers and boosting trades in 2025. Look, I gotta be honest with you. I've been watching this AI thing unfold for the past couple years, and it's wild. I'm talking about entire industries getting turned upside down. People I know, smart people with fancy degrees, are losing their minds right now. But here's the crazy part. While white-collar workers are panicking about ChatGPT taking their jobs, us trade folks, we're sitting pretty. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. I'm about to show you 5 ways AI is absolutely crushing white-collar careers and why that's the best news in the trades I've heard in decades. Real quick, who am I to talk about this? Well, I started swinging hammers and bending sheet metal when I was young and hungry. Joined the sheet metal union, worked my butt off for 14 years. Climbed from apprentice all the way to foreman. Then I took the leap, started my own HVAC contracting business 15 years ago. That's 29 years in the trenches, people. 29 years of seeing this industry change, adapt, and thrive. And let me tell you something. What's happening with AI right now, this isn't just change. This is a complete reshuffling of the deck. Way number 1. AI is eating analysis alive. You know those people making $75K to $120K sitting in cubicles all day crunching numbers, creating reports, finding trends in spreadsheets? Yeah, ChatGPT can do that in 30 seconds. I'm not being dramatic here. Companies are literally replacing entire departments of analysts with AI tools that cost them $20 a month. $20 a month. Meanwhile, you think AI can diagnose why Mrs. Johnson's heat pump is making that weird clicking noise at 8 a.m. on Christmas Eve? Hell no. You think AI can crawl under a house in 95-degree weather to fix a broken ductwork joint? Not happening. So here's what these white-collar folks don't get. AI can process information, but it can't touch the physical world the way we do. Way number 2, customer service isn't getting automated into oblivion. Call centers gone. Chat support, mostly bots now. Millions of jobs, millions, just poof. But you know what can't be automated? When your furnace dies in January and your pipes are about to freeze, you need a human with tools, with experience, with the ability to think on their feet when they discover the previous guy wired everything backwards. That's not getting automated anytime soon, my friend. Hey everyone, if you're watching this and think, man, I should look into trades, but you're not sure which path to take, check out Course Careers. Talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor. Coura will help you figure out if electrical work fits your goals, and then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like and how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in the description and pinned in the comments below for you to check out. Way number 3, basic accounting and bookkeeping. My cousin used to do bookkeeping for small businesses, made decent money, 40K to 60K, depending on the client load. Now, QuickBooks has AI that can categorize expenses, reconcile accounts, and generate reports automatically. It's actually pretty impressive and terrifying if that's how you pay your mortgage. But here's the thing about trades. Every job is different. Every house is a puzzle. Every customer has their own weird quirks. You can't train an AI how to deal with a homeowner who insists the problem isn't something completely unrelated to what's actually broken. That takes human experience. That takes trade knowledge. That takes the ability to communicate with real people about real problems. Way number 4, content writing and basic marketing. And yeah, I know this is ironic since I'm literally a content creator talking about AI replacing content creators. But here's the reality. Basic blog posts, social media content, simple marketing copy, AI does it faster, cheaper, and honestly, sometimes better than humans. It's brutal out there for writers and marketers, But you know what AI can't do? It can't install a mini split system. It can't troubleshoot a cracked heat exchanger. AI might be able to write about trades work, but it sure as hell can't do trades work. And that's the difference between work that happens on a computer and the skilled work that happens in the real world.
Hey, a quick break here. If you want to take a free intro course on how to land a job in the trades, click in the link in the description below, pinned in the comments.
Way number 5, and this one's gonna hurt. Basic programming and coding. GitHub, Copilot can write codes. ChatGPT can debug problems. AI can build entire websites from scratch. Entry-level programmers making $60K to $80K, they're getting replaced by tools that cost less than a Netflix subscription. But let me tell you something. You can't debug a broken compressor with artificial intelligence. You can't code your way out of a refrigerant leak. The trades require physical problem solving, spatial intelligence, the ability to work with your hands and your brain at the same time. We diagnose, we adapt, we improvise, and we get paid damn well for doing it. Here's what's really happening. While AI is making white-collar workers replaceable, it's making skilled trade workers more valuable across every trade. Think about it. As more and more jobs go digital, the jobs that can't go digital become precious. Electricians are making $50K to $90K plus starting out. Master electricians, $80K to $140K plus easy. Plumbers, they're pulling $45K to $85K plus as journeymen. $75K to $130 plus as masters. HVAC techs, like me, same story. $45K to $85K plus starting. $75K to $120K plus experience. Construction project managers, $65K to $120K plus. Managing the buildings that keep America running. And if you go contractor at any of these trades, sky is the limit. I've got buddies in plumbing clearing $250K plus a year. Electricians running $500K plus operations. Welders specializing in underwater work making $200K plus. But it's not just about the money. It's about job security. It's about knowing that no matter what happens with technology, people are always going to need their infrastructure working. They're always going to need their pipes fixed, their power flowing, their buildings heated and cooled, their structures built and maintained. Let me break down why all the skilled trades are thriving in this AI world. What every trade needs: basic math and problem-solving skills, the ability to read technical drawings and schematics, understanding of safety protocols and building codes, but most importantly, the willingness to work with your hands and think on your feet. See, every trade has this thing in common. No two jobs are exactly the same. An electrician might wire a brand new house in the morning, then troubleshoot a 50-year-old panel that's been modified by 3 different homeowners in the afternoon. A plumber could install a simple faucet, then figure out why water pressure sucks in a building where the previous guy used the wrong pipe sizes throughout. A welder might work on art installations one day and a critical infrastructure the next. Daily reality across trades. Installing new systems. Maintaining existing equipment. Emergency repairs that can't wait. And here's the kicker. Emergency calls in any trade pay really well. Salary reality check. Electricians, $50K to $140K plus, depending on specializations. Plumbers, $45K to $130K plus, and emergency calls are gold. HVAC, $45K to $120K plus. Been my world for 29 years. Welders, $35K to $100K plus. Specialized welding can hit $200K plus. Construction trades, $40K to $110K, depending on skill level. Getting started in any trade. Trade schools, apprenticeship, community college programs, online training that gets you interview ready fast. The beauty is most trades are desperate for good people right now. And here's why we're AI proof. Every job site is different. Every customer has unique problems. Every system has its own quirks and history. You can't train an AI to feel when something's not quite right. You can't program a robot to improvise when the plans don't match reality. That takes human intelligence, experience, and adaptability. I've seen guys go from flipping burgers to running million-dollar HVAC companies. I've seen women break in electrical work and end up as project managers for major construction firms. Hell, I've seen kids who were told they weren't college material become master plumbers, making more than their guidance counselors. The trades don't care about your GPA. They don't care if you went to that right school. They care if you can show up, work hard, and solve problems. And right now, while everyone's panicking about AI, we've got the most job security in the economy. Look, I'm not saying college is bad. I'm not saying white-collar careers are doomed forever. But I am saying if you're looking for stability, good pay, and career that can't be automated, the trades are where it's at. And if you're thinking, but I don't know which trade to pick, that's exactly what Coura is for. The AI Career Counselor will help you figure out your path. Ironically, using AI to help you get into the AI-proof career. The free intro course will show you exactly what each job is like, day to day. No surprises, no BS, just real talk about real careers. Bottom line, while AI is crushing white-collar careers, it's making skilled trades more valuable than ever. The question isn't whether this trend will continue. The question is, are you going to be on the right side of it? If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, why are trade workers like fine wine? Because we get more valuable with age, while AI just gets more updates. Okay, that was cheesy, but you know what's not cheesy? Job security. Peace out.